Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing the characteristics of sodium atoms. Sodium is the second most abundant element in the Earth's crust and is found in nature in the form of sodium chloride or salt. Let's dive into some of the fascinating characteristics of these tiny yet important atoms. First, let's talk about the atomic number of sodium, which is 11. This makes it an alkaline metal, meaning that it has a positive charge on the nucleus and can form ion bonds with other atoms. Alkaline metals are essential in our daily lives as they react with acidic substances to produce neutral salts and water. Next, sodium atoms have a nuclear charge of 1.66 electrons and a ball radius of approximately 10 to 10 meters. This makes them very small compared to other elements, making them ideal for studying at the subatomic level. One of the most notable characteristics of sodium atoms is their high thermal conductivity. This is due to the fact that their electrons are highly mobile, which allows them to easily transmit heat. This property is used in various applications, such as heating and cooling systems. Sodium is also highly redox active, meaning that it can easily lose or gain electrons. This makes it a strong electrolyte, which plays a crucial role in many chemical processes, including those involved in electrolysis and the production of electricity. In summary, sodium atoms have unique characteristics that make them an essential element in our daily lives. They are an alkaline metal, have a small size and nuclear charge, and high thermal conductivity. Additionally, sodium is a strong electrolyte and is highly redox active, which makes it a versatile element in various chemical processes.